Hello, everyone out there. This is Sydney Carr coming back with a little quick update. I started my mailings today. Like I said, I just got in the program. I just got my kit. This is my kit right here. Got my kit this past Friday. And like I said, this is one of the awesomest programs I've ever seen, folks, ever, concerning postcards. For $50, you get 200 cards. Less than 200 now because I sent some out today. But you get 200 cards, you get 200 names, folks, for $50. You can't beat that. These are names of people who are interested in looking to make some extra income. You have to go bother friends and family or anything like that. Here, the names are right here. So there's a link right up under this video that would go into more detail, because this is a phase 2 that where you could really make some good money from doing this program. But it's only about a $50 startup, folks. $50 startup, and I have a method that I'm using to help with the postcard mailing. So, folks, jump on board this thing. My ID number is 354. And I'm like the 354th person to join this company. So there's not even 400 people in here. So folks, get in this when it's just getting started. So just click on the link below this video. Then there's a second link for you to join. But if look at the first link of the video, a lot more detailed than what I'm saying now. I really don't have time at this moment because I'm so excited. I gotta go put some more stamps on my card and get some cards ready for another mailing I'm doing tomorrow. So let's click on the link below to look at the video. And if you interested in this and want to join, there's another link you can click on, and my ID number is 354. Don't forget that you have to have an ID number in order to sign up. So, folks, I'm going to come up with some more updates. Jump on board. You can't beat this. $50, 200 names, 200 cards, $50. Can't beat this. And like I said, I got a method that I'm using to help you mail these postcards out. So get back with me as soon as you can. Any comments, put in the comment section, and I'll get back with you. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.